There's this myth, we see it in movies and everything, about how holidays are the best time in the world. And that's not true for many people. And even if it's not a really difficult time, it can be a really stressful time. So I want you to be aware of what unhealthy habits come up for you specifically during the holidays. Maybe you eat a lot. I know that that's where I'm an emotional eater. I've talked about this a lot. If I get stressed out, the first thing I'm going to turn to is eating. And so I have to be really aware of that to stop it. Maybe you are the peacemaker of the family, right? And you feel like it's your job to smooth things over and keep everyone cool, calm, and collected when you just want to scream, right? So be aware of the unhealthy habits that you have and then stop with that. As I've said before, you can create a boundary calmly and lovingly. You can have a discussion that doesn't need to turn into World War III, but take care of yourself and stop those unhealthy habits and have conversations.